Hello guys, a new video today about our new solution. So now you can see Nissan Murano Z51 with 08 IT Clarion infotainment system. So this solution is the special controller for the connection of the front view camera. This can be done on any Nissan and Infiniti cars with the same system. So it's approximately cars from 2010 to 2011 years, or older cars, but after our upgrade. As usual, everything is plug and play. We send you this controller, no need to cut the car's wiring, you just connect it and connect the front view camera. You can buy from us the complete kit with the controller and with the camera. So, how does it look? We press the back button. It's possible to use any other button, but we use the back button because it's the most simple way. Because if you'll use the voice button, it will be voice recognition, voice guidance, and so on. So, the front view camera, go to reverse, show me properly, go back without any problems. And the same, first reverse, front view, it's done. Many thanks for watching. If you want to order this solution, feel free to contact us. Our contacts you can find in the description. So if you own Nissan Infiniti car with the same infotainment navigation system, you can get the front view camera without any headache. Stay safe. Bye bye.